Now from the sublime to the ridiculous.
About my life and carrot twisting like a knife into my heart and out my back and fading my blue light to black. Still I need that one more pellet, it's so close now I swear I smell it. Just up ahead around the bend, that's gotta be my rainbow's end. When I'm there it'll all be perfect, all this bullshit will be worth it. I'll be glad I spent my days stuck like a lab rat in a maze. Yes, I'll be glad I spent my youth relentlessly in search of proof that I'm okay cause I've done well. Who cares if I made my life hell? I'm okay cause I've done well. Who cares if I don't like myself? I keep a hairpin in my jacket pocket in case they shut the door and lock it. I can pick my way to freedom, but I'll stay cause they might feed me. Every morning back again, and one day soon I'm sure I'll win. I kiss the dice and let them roll, that's gotta be my pot of gold. When it's mine it'll all be fine, at last I'll have my peace of mind. I'll be glad I spent my days stuck like a lab rat in a maze. Yes, I'll be glad I spent my youth relentlessly in search of proof that I'm okay cause I've done well. Who cares if I make my life hell? I'm okay cause I've done well. Who cares if I don't like myself? I keep a bottle hidden in my bed in case I need to clear my head. I keep a lighter underneath my crown, someday I'll burn my kingdom down. I told my hairdresser about my dreams, the ones that make me wake up screaming. She said I should take a day off, but I'll wait for my big payoff. Too far to turn back now, besides I couldn't find my way out. I can take a little more, I'm certain I'm about to score. When I do I'll finally rest and know that this was for the best. I'll be glad I spent my days stuck like a lab rat in a maze. Yes, I'll be glad I spent my youth relentlessly in search of proof. Underneath my crown, someday I'll burn my kingdom down. I keep a lighter underneath my crown, someday I'll burn my kingdom down. I keep a lighter underneath my crown, someday I'll burn